In this video, you'll learn how to withdraw money from your Pocket Option account. First, log into your Pocket Option account via the mobile app or web browser. On the dashboard, go to the Finance section and click on Withdrawals. Choose your preferred withdrawal method, such as bank transfer, crypto wallet like Bitcoin, USDT, e-wallet, Skrill, Neteller, or others, depending on what's available in your region. Enter the withdrawal amount, making sure it meets the minimum threshold, which may vary depending on the method, typically around $10 or more. Fill in your payment details accurately, then click Continue to submit the request. You may need to complete identity verification if you haven't already. Withdrawals typically take anywhere from a few hours to a few business days, depending on the method used. Final verdict. Withdrawing from Pocket Option is straightforward, but be sure to verify your account first and choose a reliable payment method for faster processing. Do your own research.